Okay. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Random Sync 7, and today I'm just going to unbox a quick something that I got for myself, and to help me get better at riding. I don't know if it'll help me get better, but I'm hoping it'll be protecting me at least when I'm going off-road. So let's quickly unbox this, and yeah, I'm doing this unboxing outside, and yeah, let's quickly get on with the unboxing. Let's see you. Let me change the angle. Okay guys, so this is the box that the boot came in. It's the Fly Maverick MX boots 2019 version. This has been the graded version since. Oh yeah, so I also picked up a pair of MX gloves, basic ones, very basic, mostly to ride in rain. The size is very nice for me. I mean, it fits perfectly. There you go. Very basic. There's no protection, not much at all. I mean, but it helps in gripping the bike. So anyway, let's keep this aside. This is not the focus of the video. The bill, I'm gonna show you that. And these are the boots. There you go. Oh man, they're heavy. They're very heavy. Yeah. Huh. It has 3 straps here. Fairly simple mechanism. Fairly large opening. Seems to be decently padded here. Yep, padded in the inside as well. Double stitched. The buckle seems to be removable here. I don't know if you can see that. The screws. And the heel area is definitely. The sole seems to have decent grip. I mean, I thought it would be a lot more cleaner, but it seems to be decent. So yeah, this is the Fly Maverick. This is one pair. This is the second pair. It comes with user information. Motocross footwear, it says that right way. Let's remove this. Maybe I'll go through it later. Not sure if you can see this, but this hook here for the buckle is metal, so at least it'll take me some time getting used to this. There's some branding here as well near the buckle. That's pretty decent. Just enough branding on the front, and that's it guys. The Fly Maverick. Now let me quickly wear it and show it to you. Ragnar, interested? You like it? Anna boy? Okay, that's it guys. Quickly let me now wear it and show it to you how it looks, and especially on the KTM 390 Adventure. I'm just curious to see how difficult it would be to shift the gears. That's what a lot of people have warned me about it, so let me quickly try that. So yeah, that's the Fly Maverick. I got it in US size 9 43. That's pretty much true to size. European 43. Oh, another thing, these guards here for shifting. Nice. It's pretty stiff. There's barely any flex. There are these accordion panels here, slightly stretch panels, but it's still very stiff. It's not waterproof. This is for the rear calf guard. It's rubber material for gripping the bike. It seems to be very decent. So yeah, let me quickly put it on and sit on the bike and show you how it looks. Let's do this. Okay, I hope you liked the unboxing, and that's the Fly Maverick 2019 boot. It's an MX boot. A lot of reviewers have placed it on number 5 of the top 5 budget boots, but it's decent enough for me. I hope you like the unboxing and a quick demo of how it looks on the Adventure 390. So yeah, that's it. If you do like the content that I've been making, please consider subscribing to the channel and give a thumbs up if you like the video. And that's it, guys. Stay safe. Bye bye.